Hey there, cooling enthusiasts. Are you struggling with limited space but still need effective cooling? Tired of bulky air conditioners that block your entire window? Looking for a compact unit that won't break the bank but still keeps you comfortable during those sweltering summer months? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 best, smallest window air conditioners on the market. Let's dive into these compact cooling solutions that pack a surprising punch. 7. Amazon Basics 5000 BTU Window Mounted Air Conditioner. Starting our countdown is the Amazon Basics 5000 BTU Window Mounted Air Conditioner. This budget-friendly option is designed for spaces up to 150 square feet, making it suitable for small bedrooms or home offices. The unit features 7 temperature settings and dual cooling and fan settings, giving you some flexibility with how you cool your space. When I first installed this unit, I was pleased with the straightforward installation process. The window mounting kit includes adjustable side panels that expand to fit standard windows, and I had it up and running in about 20 minutes without any specialized tools. The mechanical controls are simple to use, just 2 dial controls for temperature and mode, which is great if you prefer a no-frills approach to your appliances. During my testing, I found that the Amazon Basics unit does cool effectively, especially for its price point. It brought down the temperature in my 12 by 12 office space within about 30 minutes. The washable filter is a nice touch for maintenance, allowing you to clean rather than replace it regularly. However, I did notice that the filter seems a bit flimsy compared to some other models, and it might need more frequent cleaning to maintain optimal performance. One significant drawback I encountered was the noise level. While Amazon doesn't specify the exact decibel rating, I found it to be noticeably louder than most other units I tested, especially when the compressor kicks in. 6. BLACK+DECKER BD05 MWT6 Window Air Conditioner. Next up is the BLACK+DECKER BD05 MWT6, another 5000 BTU unit designed to cool spaces up to 150 square feet. This model features mechanical controls with 2 cooling speeds and 2 fan speeds, along with 4-way air direction capabilities to help distribute cool air throughout your room. Installation of the BLACK+DECKER was relatively painless. The unit comes with a window mounting kit, and I was able to set it up in about 25 minutes. At just over 39 pounds, it's manageable for one person to install, though having a helper makes the process smoother. The unit fits windows with a minimum height of 12 inches and width between 23 and 36 inches, which should accommodate most standard windows. In terms of cooling performance, the BD05 MWT6 did a decent job in my testing environment. It cooled my guest bedroom, approximately 140 square feet, from 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit in about 40 minutes, which is respectable for a unit of this size. The dehumidification feature is a nice bonus, removing up to 1.3 pints of moisture from the air per hour, which helps make the room feel more comfortable beyond just lowering the temperature. However, I did encounter some issues with the temperature consistency. The mechanical thermostat isn't very precise, and I found myself adjusting it frequently to maintain comfort. There's a noticeable lag between when the unit reaches the set temperature and when it actually shuts off, which can lead to overcooling and unnecessary energy consumption. 5. Midea 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. Moving up our list, we have the Midea 5000 BTU Easy Cool Window Air Conditioner. This unit is designed for rooms up to 150 square feet and features mechanical controls with 7 temperature settings and 2 fan speeds. What immediately stood out to me was the sleek design that looks more modern than many competitors in this price range. Installation was a breeze with this Midea model. The included mounting kit is well designed, and I had the unit securely in place in about 20 minutes. At 41.4 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some other 5000 BTU models, but still manageable for a single-person installation. The unit fits windows with a minimum height of 13 inches and width between 23 and 36 inches. Performance-wise, the Midea impressed me with its cooling efficiency. In my test room of approximately 140 square feet, it brought the temperature down from 84 degrees Fahrenheit to 74 degrees Fahrenheit in just under 35 minutes, which is quite good for a unit of this size. The air distribution is also effective thanks to the two-way adjustable louvers, though I would have preferred four-way adjustment for more flexibility. The unit also includes a washable filter that was easy to remove and clean. The noise level is where the Midea really shines compared to the previous two models. Operating at around 50 to 52 decibels on high setting, it's noticeably quieter than both the Amazon Basics and BLACK+DECKER units. On the low fan setting, it's quiet enough to use in a bedroom without significantly disrupting sleep. 4. LG 5000 BTU LW5023 Window Air Conditioner. The LG LW5023 5000 BTU window air conditioner brings the reliability of a trusted brand to the small AC market. Designed for spaces up to 150 square feet, this unit features 2 cooling speeds, 2 fan speeds, and mechanical controls that are straightforward to operate. Installing the LG was a pleasant experience. The unit comes with a comprehensive installation kit, and the instructions were clearer than most. At 40 pounds, it's about average weight for its class, and I was able to install it by myself in approximately 25 minutes. The unit is designed to fit windows with a minimum height of 13 inches and width between 22 and 36 inches. In terms of cooling performance, the LG LW5023 is impressive for its size. During my testing in a 145 square foot room, it lowered the temperature from 86 degrees to 75 degrees Fahrenheit in about 30 minutes, which is excellent for a 5000 BTU unit. The air circulation is also very good, with the unit effectively distributing cool air throughout the room despite having only two-way directional control. What really sets the LG apart from the previous models is the noise level. Operating at just 52 decibels on its highest setting, it's one of the quieter units I tested in this BTU range. On the low setting, it drops to around 49 decibels, which is quiet enough to have a normal conversation or watch TV without having to raise the volume. This makes it particularly suitable for bedrooms or home offices where noise can be a distraction. Number 3. GE Window Air Conditioner 5000 BTU. Taking the third spot on our list is the GE 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. This unit is designed for rooms up to 150 square feet and features mechanical controls with 10 temperature settings and 2 fan speeds, offering more temperature control options than many competitors in this size category. Installation of the GE unit was straightforward and well supported by clear instructions. The window kit is comprehensive and includes foam seals that help improve energy efficiency by preventing air leaks. At 39.9 pounds, it's on the lighter side for window units, making it easier to handle during installation. I had it securely mounted in about 20 minutes. The unit fits windows with a minimum height of 13 inches and width between 22 and 38 inches, accommodating a wider range of windows than some other models. The cooling performance of the GE impressed me during testing. In my 140 square foot test room, it lowered the temperature from 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 74 degrees Fahrenheit in approximately 28 minutes, which is among the fastest cooling times I recorded for 5000 BTU units. The 10 temperature settings allow for more precise temperature control than the 7 settings offered by many competitors, and I found that the unit maintained a more consistent temperature with less fluctuation. Noise level is another area where the GE excels. Operating at around 51 decibels on high and 48 decibels on low, it's quieter than most units in its class. The sound quality is also better, with a smoother, less intrusive tone that fades into the background more easily than the mechanical buzz of some cheaper models. 2. LG 6000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. Moving up in cooling power, the LG 6000 BTU Window Air Conditioner takes our second spot. Designed for rooms up to 250 square feet, this unit offers more coverage than the 5000 BTU models while still maintaining a relatively compact form factor. It features electronic controls with a digital display, 3 cooling speeds, 3 fan speeds, and a full-function remote control. Installation of the LG 6000 BTU unit was surprisingly easy despite its slightly larger size. At 46 pounds, it's heavier than the 5000 BTU models, but still manageable for a single person with some preparation. The installation kit is comprehensive and well-designed, and I had the unit securely mounted in about 30 minutes. It fits windows with a minimum height of 13 inches and width between 22 and 36 inches. The cooling performance of this LG model is exceptional. In my testing in a 220 square foot room, it lowered the temperature from 88 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit in just 25 minutes, demonstrating the advantage of the higher BTU rating. The 3 cooling speeds and 3 fan speeds offer excellent flexibility, allowing you to balance cooling power with noise level based on your needs. The unit also includes a 24-hour programmable timer, which I found very useful for scheduling cooling around my daily routine. Noise level is where this LG unit truly shines. Operating at just 52 decibels on its highest setting and dropping to 48 decibels on low, it's remarkably quiet for its cooling capacity. 1. Midea 8000 BTU U-shaped window air conditioner. Taking the top spot on our list is the innovative Midea 8000 BTU U-shaped window air conditioner. This revolutionary design allows you to open and close your window even with the AC installed, thanks to its unique U-shape that fits around the window. Designed for rooms up to 350 square feet, this unit offers powerful cooling in a design that blocks less of your window than traditional models. Installation of the Midea U-shaped AC was different from traditional window units, but still manageable. The bracket system takes a bit more time to set up initially, but the payoff is worth it. I spent about 45 minutes on the installation, but once complete, the secure mounting and ability to still use my window was remarkable. At 55 pounds, it's heavier than smaller units, so having a helper is recommended. The unit fits windows with a minimum height of 13.75 inches and width between 22 and 36 inches. The cooling performance of the Midea 8000 BTU is simply outstanding. In my testing in a 300 square foot room, it lowered the temperature from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit in just 22 minutes, faster than any other unit I tested. The cooling is not only powerful, but also remarkably even throughout the room. The unit features electronic controls with LED display, multiple cooling and fan speeds, and comes with a full-function remote control. The smart features are particularly impressive. The unit is Wi-Fi enabled and works with the Midea Air app, allowing you to control it from your smartphone or integrate with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Final thought. So there you have it, my comprehensive review of the 7 best smallest window air conditioners on the market. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option for a small bedroom or a feature-rich unit for a larger space, there's something on this list to meet your needs. Stay cool, friends.